What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to remove the radio from a 2006 through 2013 Chevy Impala. Also the 2014 through 2016 Limited Edition. This is fast and easy, so let's get right to it. First, we need to remove the trim piece around the radio. You can use a flat screwdriver, a putty knife, or something similar. Insert it behind the trim and pop the corner loose. Then work around with your hands and pull it off. There are some wires at the top that need to be disconnected to release it. Press the tab on the connector down, then pull it out. Now the trim piece is free to be removed and set aside. There are 4 screws holding the radio in place, but the climate control needs to be removed first, which has 2 screws. To remove the screws, you can use a Phillips screwdriver or a 7mm socket. So remove the 2 screws. Then, pull out the climate control, which will free the radio. Next, remove the 4 screws that hold the radio in place. Now pull it straight out and hang it down. We just have to disconnect a few things. This is the antenna, just pull it straight out. And there are 2 harness connectors. Push the retaining clips in and pull them out. Now the radio can be removed. I will make a video installing an aftermarket radio in the future, and I'll put a link in the description when it's available. As always, I hope you found this helpful. Leave any comments below. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.